Guys, please, no pushing. Guys, please.
SB19 Calgary soundcheck, nagkatulakan kaya tinigil muna pero naayos naman agad. It looks like nasobrahan sa excitement at saya ang Calgary soundcheck crowd kaya nagkatulakan na. SB19 had to stop for a while para kalmahin ang mga fans. Naglagay na din ng barricade barrier ang mga guards. Pero saglit lang naman ito and the sound check continued.
Go back! Go back! Go back!
Guys, please, no pushing. Guys, please, everyone, we're requesting everyone, please be careful, no pushing. There's a lot of kids in front. We understand everyone is having a good time and everyone is enjoying, but please, safety first, everyone, okay? We understand this is your first time here in Calgary, right?
Yes!
Yes, and we are very excited to perform tonight for everyone, but safe, please, guys. Yeah. Thank you all so much again. Guys, I know we're all excited, everyone's all excited, we're excited too. And we love you all so much, but please, let's all be organized. We don't want anyone getting hurt. Okay? And let's all be respectful as well. Because there are lots of people watching at the back, so if you go in front, you won't be able to see it. Don't worry, this is supposed to be a celebration.
Don't worry, we'll make you guys all stand up later. And you're gonna need that energy. Mamaya naman magka-party tayo. Pero during sound check, syempre we want to enjoy the moment. And of course, have this intimate moment for everyone who see you. Pero huwag kayong mag-alala kasi mamaya, patatayuin ko kayo lahat.
Of course, though we want you guys to reserve your energy.